everyone, it's Rachel from JR Couponer, and Happy New Year. I have some awesome Target and Walmart Ibotta offers for you guys today. Everything that you see in front of you is either really cheap or free, so don't forget to watch the entire video. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. It really helps us out if we know you guys are appreciating our videos. And let's get started. I'm going to start off with the Target deals. The first deal is on the Tums. This is the holiday version that I found on the end cap of the medicine section. The 60 count package is on clearance for 76 cents. If you head over to Tums' website, there is a 75-cent off one internet printable, making it just a penny each. The next deal at Target is on the Truvia sweetener. This is the 40 count package. They are on sale for $2.50, and that sale ends January 18th. The Ibotta app is giving back $1.50, and if you head over to coupons.com, you can find a $1.50 off one internet printable, which makes this a 50-cent moneymaker. Alright, now I'm going to go to the Walmart deals. The first deal, thank you to Midnight Saver over on Instagram for this deal. The cheapest 5-star folders at my store were 97 cents each. I bought 2 of them that totaled to $1.98. The Ibotta app is giving back $1 on 2, which makes it 98 cents for both. The next deal is on the Simple Wipes. They are $4.46 at my store. The Ibotta app is giving back $1.25. There is a $2 PLE found on the product. And Shopkick is giving back 300 kicks, which is equivalent to $1.20, making it just a penny. The next deal is on the Revlon nail clippers. They are $1.97. The Checkout 51 app is giving back $2 on any Revlon beauty tool, and that makes it a 3-cent moneymaker, and this is a limit of 3. The next deal is on the Huggies Nourish and Care wipes. I got the 56 count package. The Fetch Rewards app is matching whatever Huggies wipes that you get. They're going to give it to you for free as long as it is up to a 64 count package, but the biggest one my store had was 56. So just to let you guys know, this does have to be Nourish and Care, and it matches completely free. If you guys are new to any of the rebate apps that I mentioned, I will leave my link down below so you guys can sign up and we can both get points. The next deal is on the Bic razors. They are $2.97. The Checkout 51 app is giving $3 back, making it a 3-cent moneymaker, and there is a limit of 5 on this deal. Now, if you guys happen to do the Truvia deal at Target, you can also do it at Walmart. There are 2 separate rebates, just to let you know. This is the same exact package. It is a 40 count package, just as like Target. They are $3.47 at Walmart. There is a $1.50 off coupon on coupons.com. The Ibotta app has $1.50 back, making it just 47 cents. The next deal is on the Oikos yogurt. It is $1, and the Ibotta app is giving back 50 cents, making it just 50 cents. And the last and final deal is on the No Cow bars. These are $7.98, and my store actually had a $1 off Peely, you can see right there. And then the Ibotta app is giving back $7.98, making it a $1 moneymaker. And I did want to mention, if you guys can find the Kinder Eggs, the clearance variety, it's the Christmas variety. I believe they're on clearance for 38 cents, and there is a $1 off 2 manufacturer coupon found in an insert. So that would be a moneymaker. I couldn't find any at my store, but I did see this posted on Instagram. So if you guys can find that, you should definitely take advantage of that moneymaker. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy New Year, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, happy couponing!